Which should you buy, a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro? It's a tough decision because both are excellent choices. Apple updates its lineup every year, improving hardware and introducing new software features. With so many factors to consider, where do you start? First off, consider a MacBook's computing power, storage, display, and size. While the 2022 and 2024 13-inch MacBook Air models may look identical, they have different chips which affect the performance, efficiency, and the battery life. The gap widens with the MacBook Pro lineup, now powered by the M4 chipset, while the latest Air models still use the M3 chip. The MacBook Pro comes in two sizes, 14-inch and 16-inch, each with different chip options. The 14-inch model features the M4 chip, while the 16-inch offers the more powerful M4 Pro or M4 Max. The M4 Max in particular has a 32-core GPU, making it ideal for creative professionals. MacBook Pro models also offer enhanced unified memory, extended battery life, additional ports, and superior hardware compared to the Air. According to Apple, the M4 MacBook Pro is up to 1.8 times faster than the M1 Pro, and the M4 Max delivers up to 3.5 times the performance of the M1 Max, making it perfect for heavy creative workloads. The price? The 14-inch MacBook Pro starts at $1,600 and can go up to $2,000 with upgrades. The 16-inch version starts at $2,500, reaching up to $4,000 depending on configuration. The MacBook Air is available in two 13-inch models and a 15-inch option. The 2022 version comes with the M2 chip, while the 2024 versions feature the M3. Unlike the Pro, there is no option for M3 Pro or M3 Max chips. With fewer ports and no cooling fan, the MacBook Air is lightweight and efficient, relying on Apple's chip design for heat management. It's not as powerful as the Pro, but it's still a highly capable device. The M2 Air allows for some GPU upgrades, which can improve video editing performance. Apple discontinued the 15-inch M2 MacBook Air when the M3 version launched, but you can still find refurbished units online. Pricing for the M3 MacBook Air starts at $999 for the 13-inch model and can go up to $1,999 with upgrades. The 15-inch version starts at $1,099 and maxes out at $1,699. So how do you decide? It depends on your needs. Apple states the M4 chip is 1.3 times faster for productivity tasks than the M3, but that may not matter for everyday users. You can choose the MacBook Pro if you're a graphic designer, video editor, music producer, 3D artist, or developer. It can handle demanding software, multitasking, and heavy workloads without lagging. You can choose the MacBook Air if you're a student, writer, or office worker who primarily uses Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, or browses the web. It's lightweight and great for portability. If you just need a laptop for web browsing, emails, and entertainment, the M2 Air is still a solid choice and more affordable. No matter which model you choose, MacBooks integrate seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem. Features like Handoff let you switch FaceTime calls between your Mac and iPhone, and you'll have instant access to your iPhone's files, messages, and photos. So whether you go for power with the Pro or portability with the Air, you're getting a high-quality, long-lasting device. The key is choosing the one that best fits your needs and your budget.